or welcome back to another video. Today I'm starting a new series called the How to Draw a Candy series. So today we are starting with Skittles. I made a video back then that I actually drew Skittles, but I ended up taking it down. So now we are going to recreate that, and let's start with going online and finding a picture.
Okay, so I went to my Safari page, mine in the background actually. I searched up Skittles and a bunch of packs came up, mainly the big ones. I didn't really want to draw the big ones because those were a little too hard for me. I kept scrolling until I saw one I liked. There was lots of choices. I could either do the blue ones, the purple ones, but I chose to do the classic red one. I screenshotted it and I saved it to my camera roll. And so once you guys do that, you can go to your camera roll and use it as a reference. And you'll probably see it in your camera roll once you have screenshotted it. For people with iPads, you can hold down the two volume buttons and then the power button, and it'll eventually screenshot it for you. That way it'll be a lot easier for you.
So I now have my outline of the Skittles. Now we're going to do the logo and the rainbow. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the Skittles, make the rainbow, and then if you want, you guys can color or shade or do whatever you want with it, but this is pretty much the final product for now.